Welcome to this new modern construction home located on the Curtis Park side of 95817 with carefully selected designer finishes throughout, an open floor plan main level, and numerous smart home features, and a tasteful yard that will not disappoint when just relaxing or entertaining. Come and see this one-of-a-kind home for yourself. Welcome to 3065 Portola in Oak Park, Sacramento, California. Okay, so this is actually the first room in the house as soon as you enter the home. It's beautiful because as soon as I walked in, I said, oh great, you've got a downstairs office, but actually it is a full bedroom. So you've got a full bathroom downstairs. So this would be great if you wanted to, let's say, host it when you are hosting. You can have your guests stay down here where they've got everything. They've got access to the backyard, access to the front yard, to the garage, and then also their own bathroom, which is amazing. I always say, if I had something like this, I'll throw the door off and I'd have this as my dog's room. It's huge. So tons of storage again. And then, okay, so this is my favorite room of the house. Photographers and creatives would understand. Look at all this natural light. Isn't it beautiful? You need no extra lighting in here. If you're recording videos or taking photos, you can literally set this up as your in-home studio. So I know Chris loves this part of the house too. Oh, backyard. So again, perfect house for hosting. You've got your backyard space, which, I mean, it sells the entire house. You've got your lighting out here and access from the side door. So if you are hosting and you maybe don't want guests coming through your home, you can actually let them in through the side door. So we got the bathroom over here. Large window, tons of natural light. That's something that you will see throughout this entire home, is the natural light throughout the house. So my favorite part of the house is obviously the kitchen. You've got the bronze trimmings on the appliances. You've got your marble countertops. And most of the appliances are even connected to Wi-Fi. So that's always a great feature in homes like this. You've got your brown cabinetry with tons of storage. So you've got storage up here. That's gonna be the holiday items that you don't necessarily need year round. You've got storage around the island on both sides, which is always great. I don't know why I really like this feature, but I love it. Got our living room. The perfect floating TV stand. So nothing is needed. You've got it built in. Again, tons of storage space, which you'll definitely see throughout the entire home. Of course, the natural lighting. You've got the huge windows here. And one of my favorite features, they call this the Butler's Pantry. So again, more storage space. It's huge. All right, we'll go upstairs. Again, I know you're gonna get tired of me saying it, but the storage throughout this house is just uncanny. Another great feature that I love. Again, this is your laundry room, and instead of not having the space for towels and other things that you're gonna need in your laundry room, you've got it already built in. Pretty standard bathroom here. Nice decent sized bedroom in this one. And then we go to the master, everyone's favorite. So we got your master bedroom here, absolutely beautiful. Again, your different backsplash here in the sink area. Same brown cabinetry throughout the home. Beautiful shower. Again, you have the bronze trimming throughout the entire house as well. And then of course, your closet. So thank you for touring 3065 Portola in Oak Park, Sacramento. I am your host, Sydni Chattman. Follow me on all socials at Sydni Ruth. See you at the next house.